Hello viewers, I welcome you back to my channel, and within the next 4 minutes I'm going to be teaching you how to process your lemon or lime fruits and the uses. So grab a cup of juice, relax and enjoy. So I'm grating the skin of the lemon now, because you can use this for different purposes. Many people just juice the fruits and throw away the back. They throw away after removing the juice. They just throw the entire skin away. No, you can actually use the skin for cooking, for baking, for that lemon, to get that lemon flavor. You can make use of the skin. Not, you don't have to grate deep into the skin, just the surface, the green part of it. You can use it to boil your meat, to cook your food, chicken, whatever you want to boil, any meat, any type of meat. You can use it to give a very nice and yummy taste. So this is a kind of business idea for somebody, for those market women who just juice and then throw away the back of the lemon. So you can package it and then you sell. People can use it just to create awareness of it, and people will begin to buy. Once they see the result, people will start to buy, and then you can make your profit from it. So this skin has a lot of uses. You can check on your Google, and then you can check my comment section also. You will, the description of this video, you will see all the health benefits, the uses of lemon, and the skin. It can also be used as insect repellent, and a lot of things can be used for cleaning, to remove odor. And if in case you have body odor also, you can make use of this lemon juice with the help of a cotton board. You can wipe that area that you are having the issue, the smell. You wipe it, do it like twice on daily basis for like a week. You will see the results. You take away the odor. And also in your home, your kitchen, your toilet, you can also put some lemon or lime, and it will help your environment to smell very nice. And so after I'm juicing it now, you can see that I'm using different methods to juice. So this yellow one is for the lime, because limes are a bit smaller than lemon. I can't use that same yellow one for lemon, because lemon is very large in size. It's bigger in size, so I have to use the bigger juicing machine, the citrus juicer. So after juicing, I'm going to be storing my juice in a bottle, a clean bottle. Make sure that the bottle you're using is hygienic, is clean enough, doesn't have anything that, because if it's not clean, it can make your lemon or your lime juice to get spoiled very fast. So I'm storing it, and then I'm going to put it into the freezer. The freezer will keep it fresh for as long as possible. So I didn't give up on the skin of the lemon. I will still go ahead and boil a little, then I'll sieve out the water and enjoy with my sweetener. Thanks for watching. Thank you. God bless you. Bye for now.